Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 3, B is 9, C is 18 and D is 27. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules we can follow to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve the division and multiplication, or you have to solve the multiplication or division. Either you are using the BODMAS or PAMDAS rule. The rule is same for both. You have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Um, when If you see the division first, so you have to solve the division first, and if you see the multiplication first, so you have to solve the multiplication first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. So here we have, according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket or parenthesis. So in our expression, we have this bracket, which is 3 raised to power 3 minus 3 raised to power 2 multiplied by 2. So in this bracket, we have multiple things we have to solve. First, we have the uh, two numbers which has the power. One is 3 raised to power 3 and other one is 3 raised to power 2. And second one is we have one operation is minus sign and other operation is multiplication sign. So what we have to do, we have to solve this one first according to the rule of BODMAS and PAMDAS. And in this expression, we have to solve the exponent part or order of coefficient. So first of all, we have to solve 3 raised to power 3, which is, it becomes 27 minus 3 raised to power 2. Again, we have to write as it is, multiply 2. We will write here as it is. Here we have to give the reference 3 raised to power 3 equals to 27. Now move forward. Step number 1. We have solved. Now we have to go again 3 raised to power 2 for solution. So we have to go 81 divided by 27 minus 3 raised to power 2 means 3 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 9. Multiply by 2. We will write here as it is. Now we have to give the reference 3 raised to power 2 equals to 9 and it becomes power. Now move forward. We have solved the exponent part. Now we have to solve the division and multiplication, or you can say the multiplication and division. So according to the rule, we have to solve the division and multiplication. So you will say like we have this division sign first, so we have to solve this one first. But we cannot solve this part first because we have this bracket. So according to the rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. So first we have to solve this multiplication, although it is coming in the last, but we have to solve this one first because of the bracket sign. So first of all, we have to solve the bracket. That's why we are solving 9 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 18. And it becomes 9 multiplied by 2 equals to 18. Now move forward. Again, we have to go left to right in this expression and find out we can solve. So here we have to solve this minus sign. Why? Because we have to solve first the bracket and which is coming inside the bracket. So we have to solve this one first. So again, we have to write like 81 divided by 27 minus 18, it becomes 9. And here we have to give the reference 27 minus 18 equals to 9. Now we have two terms which are dividing each other. So we have to divide 81 divided by 9. So we have to write like 9. So 9 9 the 81. If you see the answer list, answer B is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using palm dots and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So today, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these types of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.